It's been almost 2 weeks since the last video, so I'm gonna give a quick update about the situation. Current financial situation is fucked up. I have received my first salary, which is just part of the salary. I expected to receive 900, but I got just 250 euros, which is apparently all I got for the entire month. After I pay the bills and the rent. So I'm gonna do a quick calculation and make a plan on how I'm gonna manage this entire month, because that's how long it's gonna take until I get the full salary, which is going to be 650 or 700. So 454 is total that I have, and I'm gonna deduct my rent and shit and bills. That's 240 for rent and bills, and that leaves me with 214 for the month. I'm gonna pay the phone. That's minus 24. That leaves me with 190. I'm gonna have to pay for the gym as well. Fuck it. That's 35. So I'm gonna have 155 euros left for the entire month. That's for food. That's what. Oh my god. That's 155 for the food. Fuck. Oh my god. Bro, I'm cooked. I found some cash here, so this is 50. And let's see what do we got here. That's 50. And this is for the rainy days, which have come apparently. So I got some dollars, got some dinars. I'm gonna exchange that. 20, 40, 1, 42, 43, 63, 83. Oh. So I got like $87. I knew this is gonna come handy one day. 80, and this is like 2 euros. I don't even know if I can exchange this. So I get like, I think that's gonna be like 75 euros. 70 maybe, plus 50. Okay, now things are looking a little better. Plus 70, plus 50. We've got 275 euros for the entire month for food. So that's for 30 days. That's like 9 euros a day. That's easy. Okay. I was starting to get worried that I'm not gonna be able to make it for this month. So 9 euros a day. So for that I can eat 10 eggs a day. Is the easiest to get some good protein, to get some good calories. 10 eggs a day, that's what I'm gonna do. It's like €2. It's gonna be like €2. Okay, 9 minus 2. That leaves us with €7 a day. I'm gonna get some bread. That's like €1. And I'm probably gonna eat something from bakery or whatever. Okay, that's gonna be enough, man. Okay, that's gonna be enough for this month. And now about day trading, I was studying every day for like at least 7 hours a day, every day. So I was consistent with my studies for the past 2 weeks. So I'm taking this seriously. I decided that I'm gonna quit everything else. I'm just gonna focus on trading and of course trying to make money with my jobs. I'm still clearly waiting for another job because you see that I'm waiting for the position for another job to open up. I sent them the message the other day, but they didn't respond, so I will have to find some other solution. Yeah, so I saw in your comments on my previous video, someone said that I should watch ICT. He has a free course on YouTube, and that I should watch like core content month 1 for 2016, and that I should watch 2022 mentorship. So I finished the entire first month. I rewatched it a couple of times, and I start to understand the basics. I think I'm almost halfway through the mentorship 2022, and man, I fucking hate ICT, bro. It's so complicated. It's more complicated than I expected it to be, especially coming from a beginner. And I see other people also feel the same. I just don't get it. Like he speaks kind of like he's 90% of the time has a good trade, winning trade. But that's clearly not possible because I've seen some of the biggest traders in the industry, like these that we have available online. They say that they win like 50-60% of the time. So I mean, why would you complicate it so much if you're gonna win just 50-60% of the time? It doesn't make sense because the market can go either up or down. So it's like 50-50 to begin with, right? So from what I understand as a complete beginner, I clearly am probably wrong. I don't know. This is how I see it after just 2 weeks of getting into it. Even if you're right only 50% of the time, you can be profitable if you have like the right risk management. Because if when you lose, you can set it that the loss is 3 or 4 times smaller than your win. So if you win 50% of the time, but when you win 4x. When you lose 4 times less than that. Then you're profitable. So if I can get some sort of strategy like that, then I would be profitable, I guess. So why would I fucking complicate it so much with all these crazy indicators on the chart and this and this and fair value gap? I think fair value gap, I kind of understand it. But all these other things, like, it's so complicated. And When I watch his videos, I fall asleep, bro. He makes me fall asleep every time. So if you have problems falling asleep at night, just start watching ICT. 100% guaranteed you will treat your insomnia. But yeah, it's very complicated. Please, if someone is watching this, I highly doubt it. I don't think anyone is watching this. But if there are some traders who understand ICT or who understand training, can you please like give me your feedback, like your opinion? Do you think this makes ICT is good? Do you think it's bad? Is it hard to master it? Um, like just write down in the comments what you think about it. I'm gonna finish the mentorship. I will rewatch it a couple of times because I'm really slow learner. So maybe I'm just a little bit too stupid for that. But if I rewatch it a couple of times, I will probably start figuring it out. Um, for now, I'm using demo account on IC Markets, and I'm gonna be back testing my strategies as I'm learning until I'm not profitable on my demo account, because it doesn't make sense to start live account if I'm not able to do it even with the fucking paper money, right? So that's my plan. I'm gonna continue studying every day. I'm gonna continue practicing with demo, and I'm gonna continue making money. So when I start trading with live account, I have decent amount of capital. From what I've seen, if I can come up with 10k, and if I can make 10% of that every month, which sounds, I guess, reasonable. I don't know, but that would be 1,000 a month, which I'm happy with. I'm happy with that for the beginning. So that's the goal. That's the goal regarding the trading. That's how's my situation with money for this month. So yeah, and I can't do nothing before I find another job, because this just ain't gonna work. So I need more time to study. I need more time to make money, to get back on my feet. It's gonna be a fun month. I have to be really disciplined with how I spend my money, because obviously I have like just 9 euros a day, which is not that bad. Like, I will have enough to eat. I even have enough for the gym. I didn't expect I have so many dollars. That's a good thing. Like 150 euros a month, it's really not enough, but 250, I think I can manage with that. So yeah, I'm still doing the exercises. Maybe that's a good thing that I haven't started another job, because I'm still focusing on my rehab, trying to get rid of the pain and shit. Guys, I think we found a winning strategy. Look at this. So this is my trade on the demo account. We are so far $15 up. Yeah, so this was my entry here, and I raised the stop loss now here. So you see I was fucking around a little bit. I don't even know what I was doing here. So I was waiting if we broke out. So this is the orb strategy. So this is the opening range, the first candle, and I was waiting if we broke below this point. I was looking to go short all the way down here, or if we broke above this range, then I was looking to go long all the way. Let me show you. all the way up to this point here. I saw this clean range over here, so this was my entry, and I'm looking to go all the way up here, but we will see how far we will go. So far it's going good, and I raised the stop loss first to break even, and now I raised it up all the way up to this point here. I don't know how it's gonna go. I think this strategy might be good. I back tested it a little bit on TradingView. I think I went 20 times. I'm gonna do more back testing. I will probably do hundreds of reps before I even consider this more seriously, but it looks like a good strategy, and I've seen a lot of people talk about it. It's like the orb, the opening range breakout, and I chose it because it's fairly simple. Like it's really simple to execute on this strategy compared to the ICT stuff that is a little bit too complicated for me. So I'm just waiting for the breakout, and if we break out I look to buy, or if it goes below I look to sell. That's about it. Okay, so what I can see from this point now is that we are forming this sort of upward trend. You see from this point here, which is at the bottom, we touched the support here, and again we touched the support here now, and we can expect probably to continue pushing up. That's what I can see from this situation now. We caught this trend pretty early. This was the entry here, and yeah, so this is also the good thing that I did, is that I was able to predict that we're gonna get this resistance at this point here, because when I go to 1 hour chart, you can see this point here. This is exactly what we're trying to break right now, and I think if we manage to break this point and continue pushing up, we have this super clean range here to go push all the way up to my take profit. So I think that was a good thing for today. For today I was able to predict these things, so I can say I'm making good progress when it comes to analyzing these charts. So yeah, that's a good thing. So that's for today's journal. The things that I did wrong was definitely, this was definitely a very stupid thing that I did. So yeah, what I want to do, I want to try to treat this as a real live account, even though it is a demo account. So I was here at this point here, especially, I was a little bit, how do you say, is this some sort of fear, because I want to make minimal risks. I want to make like as minimal risk as possible. That's why I exited here. I thought we were going back into this range, so I wanted to be quick and not lose money, which was mistake, because my stop loss was here and my strategy tells me not to exit the trade unless we pass this point here. So that was probably a mistake. So I'll try to fix that next time, because if I stayed in that trade, I would have had this range here, which is not a small range. So I missed out on that because I was afraid, so I need to fix that in the future. I definitely need to record that. Here also a bunch of unnecessary trades. This was complete bullshit. I don't know what I did. So these are things that I need to fix. this is something that I probably need to give myself a praise, that I did good. And yeah, we'll see how this trend is going to end up. I hope we're gonna make huge profits here. So far we are up $21. So yeah, I'm looking to go all the way up there. We'll see how is that gonna go. At this point, I just want to squeeze as much as possible out of this trade. So I don't really want to exit here if there is a possibility to push slightly higher. So I will see how far we can go. But so far this is great. Like we are over 50 euros now in profit, right? So let's see how far we can push this. This is 15 minutes, this is 5 minutes. So I'm gonna just keep raising my stop loss and raising my take profit, right? Let's see how far we can go. So I will probably keep pushing until I don't get stopped out. I will keep raising my take profit. So here we are at, you see, just a little bit. We need just a little bit more to get there. Nice, nice. It seems that we can keep pushing. Still keep pushing up. This looks good. It looks good. We're almost there. Right? We're almost there. We are probably going to reach somewhere around this. It's probably going to push even above this point here, right? We're probably going to see some resistance here. And if it goes above this point, maybe it's gonna, I feel like it's gonna keep pushing there. Like maybe the volume is going to push it above that point here. So we'll see. Maybe we can squeeze some more, still something more out of this trade, right? You see all these points up. Although it's not that clean of a range as it was here, but there might be a chance to do that. So I will see if I can stay in this trade a little longer. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to raise my profit. Should we try to push here? Should I try to push here, to this point here for now? Fuck it, huh? Fuck it, let's put it there. Let's put it there. Let's do it. Okay. So my stop loss should probably still remain here, maybe even below this. I don't know. We're already up good, so I don't feel like I'm making any risks at this point. It was, so far it was 1 to 5 ratio risk to reward. So it was a really good trade, right? This was my entry here. Here was the breakout, and we are up good. If we can, this would be crazy if we can hit this point here. I have to go to work in an hour and a half from now. So we still have some time to keep pushing. You know, it's probably going to consolidate a little bit at this point, and maybe it's gonna hit above that. Maybe it's gonna go down, I don't know. Let's stay in this trade a little longer, see what happens. Am I gonna get stopped out here? I'm gonna move my stop loss a little bit below these two, if necessary. And if we get stopped out there, so be it. I'm good with that. I'm fine with that. Yeah, so let's move it right here. And that's as low as I will go. There's that. I don't think it's gonna go lower than that. It's probably gonna start pushing up again since we hit this support line. Maybe slightly below it. If we go below this point here, I'm out. I'm thinking I should probably exit this trade now. Okay, so this is my rationale. We are seeing this, we broke this trend, we broke below this support line. That's one reason why I want to exit. Second reason is when I go to 1 hour chart and I zoom out, I can see this shit here. You see? I'm pretty sure we're gonna go below this point here, even if we happen to continue pushing above this point. First we'll have to touch this level here as a support, right? We are right there, and chances are I'm gonna get liquidated at this point anyway. Like we're probably gonna go below this point, even maybe for a second, before we continue pushing up. So I'm now thinking, should I take this risk or should I exit this trade now and maybe re-enter once the support is created there. All right. So I said if we go below this point, I'm going to exit. Okay, let's see what this candle is gonna do now. Let's see what it's gonna do now. I should probably take this as a clear sign, but I don't know. I don't know, dude. Let's draw a line. Let's draw this line here. So this is the support. This is the support. And my stop loss is slightly below that, so if I want to stay in this trade, I should probably lower the stop loss a little bit more. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, I just realized something. So this is now we are entering into New York session open. Actually, that was at 2 o'clock at my local time. So this is the first opening candle of the New York session, if I'm getting this right. So that's why we are consolidating right now. And it seems that I may be completely wrong about this, but let's see. Let's draw it. This is This is 2 o'clock candle, I think. No, this is 2:10, 14:05. Oh, this is the opening candle. So we already broke out of that. Fucking. I don't know if I'm correct about this, but this could be another orb. Right here. Right? Yeah, that's right. And yeah, we touched this support here and continued pushing up. I think this is a pretty good sign that this is gonna continue going up. So again, we broke this. No, we didn't. So this is another resistance that we hit here, right? Again, we touched this resistance. Here. And if we break through this resistance here, that would probably be a pretty good sign that we're going to continue pushing up. And now this doesn't look good. I don't know for how long may this continue consolidating like this. I am probably going to exit this trade because I have to go to work. Now it's almost 3 o'clock here, so I have to go in about 20 minutes from now. So yeah, I'm probably going to, I don't know if I can leave this open while I'm gone. That's probably not a good idea. Okay, let's get rid of this one. But yeah, for today this looks pretty good for today, considering that this was my first serious trade that I took. Yeah, let's keep this open for another 20-13 minutes while I'm still here, see what happens. And then I'm going to close the trade. I'll see if I can close it here at the resistance level at least. Let's see what's gonna happen. Guys, here is my lunch. Beautiful. Look at that. Protein. Should I exit this trade? Let's see. I exit. We are at the top. Now $55 up in profit. It's easy to trade when you're using paper money and when you're winning. We'll see how I'm gonna do with the live money, and when I'm losing, how I'm going to handle that. But so far, I'm happy with this. This was a really good trade, and for me, a really good confirmation that at least I am on the right track with this day trading thing. So we are touching this resistance level, trying to break out of it. I will see one or two more candles if we break out or not. I'm probably going to exit. Okay, guys. Okay, now it's time for me to go to work. It seems that I was right. We broke through this resistance level here. Boom, and we are going to continue pushing up. This was the opening range that we broke. That was the first sign for me that the market is going to continue pushing up. I can get rid of this one. Now, I'm not sure if I can keep this trade open while I'm gone. I probably can, because this shit is going to continue going up. So far we are $64 up, so this is crazy. This is crazy. Beautiful. This trade today was beautiful. Amazing. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that shit, bro. All of this. This was my entry here. And now we are up all the way up here. All that way up. And as I said, we're gonna continue pushing up for sure. This is where I placed my take profit. So, I mean, boom. That would be over $100 over there if we were actually to reach this point. Let's zoom out the chart a little bit. Yeah, for sure we're gonna hit that point there. You see? this previous day highs. This is the resistance here, boom, it hits there. Here, boom, almost hits it there. Here, boom, boom. So I should probably take profit at least somewhere around here, at least. And I mean, I'm pretty sure that we would have been able to do that. For sure, we're gonna continue pushing up. But yeah, fuck it, I have to go. I have to go, so I'm going to close this trade and I'm gonna continue watching the market when I'm on work. See what would have happened. So this is Euro, US dollar. For now, I'm looking for these three pairs. Today morning, I looked at SPX. I looked at gold. I couldn't find what I was looking for, and boom, euro dollar. I found exactly what I was looking for. Took this trade, executed really nicely. So yeah, I'm really happy how things turned out today. This gave me a lot of confidence. I learned a lot. I learned a lot from today's trade. And yeah, if I was trading live account, I definitely wouldn't have closed this trade. But since this is just a demo account, I don't give a fuck. I'm just gonna close this. Otherwise, I would have kept pushing up, of course. So yeah, let's just, how do I even close this? Let's see, close position, is that it? Close, boom. Okay, nice, so we are up a lot. That was beautiful. All right. By the way, in the meantime, while you were looking at these charts, I took a shower, I finished exercises for 2 hours, I ate lunch, I did everything. So, yeah, good stuff, man. Now we're going to work. Let's close this shit. Boom. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm at work and seems that I was wrong about today's trade. So let me show you what's going on with euro dollar. Fucking, what the fuck is this? Yeah. So look at that. This is, remember, this is the resistance that we broke with that trade, and the upper line represents my take profit point. This is the point where I expected the market to go, and look, it actually reversed back, and now it's again it's touching this support line. So it didn't break below it, so it's probably gonna continue pushing up, but not today, probably tomorrow or a bit later. I don't know. Now it's 7 o'clock at night, 7 p.m. So I don't know, but we actually did a good thing that we exited that trade. Yeah, it didn't continue pushing up, so that's strange, right? But yeah, just a little bit more up. So yeah, that's what happened at the end of all of that. Took a good trade. I'm probably gonna end this video here. Yeah, a great thing happened regarding my salary. I actually received full salary today. So things are looking better. But now, since I figured out that I don't really need much money, I'm gonna continue as if I didn't receive the salary, so I can save as much money as possible, so I can put it into my trading account. That's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, that's good. I'm gonna give it a try. I mean, I realized that I really don't need any money. Like a little bit, just a little bit. I don't know if there is anything else I want to mention. Okay, bye.